What's up, everyone? I'm Sterling, and I'm going to show you how to convert your ERC20 KAI tokens to mainnet. Now, this tutorial is going to be kind of flawed due to the fact that I don't have any ERC tokens, ERC KAI tokens anymore. Mine is already converted over to mainnet a long time ago. But if I was going to show everybody, what you would do first is uh, create a MetaMask, and you can find them actually on the Chrome Web Store. So we'll go to the Chrome Web Store. Well, you know what? We'll just type in MetaMask. That'll be easier, right? So you'll go to MetaMask.io. You will have to download now. And for me, I use the Brave browser, so I would install MetaMask for Brave. Now, the thing is with Brave is that Brave is built off the same framework of Google Chrome. That's why the whole setup is very similar. But you also have Firefox, and for those who use Edge, you have that as well. So so once you go to your MetaMask and you create your MetaMask wallet, and there's multiple tutorials on how to make a MetaMask wallet. You can go to Crypto Dad. I'm not going to bother giving a tutorial on how to make a MetaMask wallet. That's a space that's already taken up, right? So after you make your MetaMask wallet, what you're going to do is go on to your, the places that still hold what ERC20 KAI is, like what Ledger. I've seen people talk about Coinone, BitTrex. So you're gonna go to your those accounts that have your ERC20 KAI tokens, right? And you will first shoot that over to your MetaMask. And let me go to my MetaMask. And then once you go to your MetaMask, you'll have your address right here. So you'll copy that. You will withdraw that. Well, you'll put that address to your withdrawal on your Ledger device or your BitTrex or your Coinone, and send your ERC20 KAI over there. And then once it's in this wallet, you will go to swap.kardiachain.io. And as you can see, it takes you here. And this is the reason why I made you make that MetaMask and have you send it over to your MetaMask, because you couldn't necessarily send your ERC20 KAI tokens from those previous wallets over. So you have to make a MetaMask as a layover. So you will connect your MetaMask as I have. These are my accounts. So, just in, future reference, when it asks you that, you're going to say next and connect. And then, of course, you're going to want your maximum amount. And then you'll hit approve. Yeah, for me, is as I said, I can't really do anything. I don't have any ERC20 KAI tokens available. But you'll follow the steps there. And then, in the receiving address, you're going to want to go to Kardiachain.io, because you're going to have to make a mainnet wallet to receive, right? Like, naturally speaking. So when you want, or where's these coins going to, you're going to want to go there and go make a wallet. If you haven't made a wallet, as I said in other tutorials, you can make a wallet with a private key. You can make a key store file or a mnemonic phrase with a private key. It just generates a key for you. You know what I'm saying? And you're gonna have to hold on to that key. The key store file, you must be downloaded and save the following key store file, which is like, it says in the name, it's a file, right? So you'll put your password to enter the file to access the key, so that when it's time for you to go into your wallet, you're gonna have to upload that file in, or a mnemonic phrase. And in my opinion, because I believe someone asked me this in the comment, which one's better? I use mnemonic phrase, which is just a 12 phrase word. You write it down, or I would tell you to write it down. Don't put it into your iPhone notes. Don't take a screenshot of it and save it onto your Dropbox or whatever you guys are using, because if someone gets a hold of this 12 mnemonic phrase, they have complete access of your wallet. So going back, yikes. All right, let me just go. All right, so going back, you will access your wallet, and I already have a tutorial about how to have the extension. So follow that, please. So anyways, so into the swap, you're going to copy the address here, and then you'll put it into your into the swap bridge for sending that mainnet over, right? So let's try skipping. Okay, see, there you go. So once you have your amount and you hit next, the receiving wallet, I would put here, you'll paste, and then as you can see, there's several people who have swapped today, but and then you'll hit swap. I doubt it's gonna do anything for me, but there you go. Another quick way of swapping, if you have ERC20 tokens, say if you had a ledger, this is what I did for myself. I sent it from Ledger over to Kucoin.com, where they actually do automatic swapping. And I believe, if I'm not mistaken, it says that it will do that. Is there a time period? I think it might be a permanent time period, but unless they specify something otherwise. If you allow me to do a QR code to approve. Okay, so I'm in. So if you go into main accounts, type in KAI, go to your deposit. Okay, here we go. So Kucoin has completed the mainnet token swap of Kardiachain. The original deposit address of KAI remains unchanged. Okay, so what I would actually do is before anyone just dump their whole life savings of KAI over here, I'll start by just sending 500 KAI tokens over to KuCoin, just to see if it would touch the account. So in that way, you're not just burning your whole life savings away. I believe 500 KAI tokens is about it's about $13. So use $13 as a tester to send over before you just dump it all over. As you can see, I did my swapping on the 25th of January, 2021. So that was when it was able to convert from ERC20 tokens of KAI over to the mainnet. And at that time I dumped 17,000 whatever to KuCoin. Let's check news just in case. I think that using the Kardiachain token swap bridge is the best way, in my opinion, of swapping your swapping your KAI over. Okay, so as you can see, they opened up the swap bridge for KuCoin on January 25th. So that same day when I did it. So okay, so the original deposit address of KAI remains unchanged. KuCoin will continue to support deposits of ERC20 KAI tokens. The KAI tokens held on KuCoin will automatically be swapped into the KAI mainnet KAI coins. KAI has been swapped to the mainnet token. Please do not withdraw KAI to your ERC20 address, or else you will lose your assets. Meaning that if you have once you swap over and you have mainnet KAI, you can't send it to BitTrex. Don't send it to BitTrex. Don't send it to Coinone. Don't send it to Ledger, because you do that, you're not getting those funds back. Or I never seen anyone yet to get their funds back. So in the steps that I showed you, do that. So once you have KAI tokens on KuCoin, send it to your Kardiachain Wallet and vice versa. You can send your Kardiachain Wallet KAI tokens over to Kucoin if you want to go under the trades, just in case you might want to sell your KAI token. Send it to your Kucoin and you'll be able to trade it for whatever that you like. You know what I'm saying? So I just want to tell everybody that so you don't get burned in the future, because there's a lot of people that come into the Telegram uh, saying, oh, I just sent my KAI tokens from Kucoin to BitTrex. Help, I need help. Or, I sent it from BitTrex and Coinone over to the main wallet and I don't see it. What's going on? And I'll tell you right now, if you sent your KAI tokens from BitTrex or Coinone or Ledger over to the Kardiachain wallet, there is no technical support. You most likely not get those back. Coinone is not gonna, lose countless nights to help everybody get their coins back. So please follow this tutorial and make sure that you check out all of my other tutorials regarding Kardiachain, because as far as I'm concerned, I'm the only one that has it. And I think everyone should use this as a reference, okay? So I'll see you guys in the Kardiachain Telegram. This is Sterling, and I will see you guys next time. Take care.